Hello everybody, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dewalt metric half-inch drive deep socket set. It also has its hanger if you want to use that. Let's open it up. It's a nice polycarbonate. And I went ahead and weighed the entire thing with the sockets, and it's 5.4 pounds. And I also weighed the biggest socket, and that is a 24 mil, and it weighs 8.7 ounces. So it's a beefy sucker. Has these nice knurls for grabbing, twisting. Very thick base. Okay. The thickest part of the open end is going to measure 1.45. Okay, let's measure the wrench end. .206. As we can see here, the 16, 15, 14, 13 gets narrow. It's going to be for getting in the tight spots. Okay, let's take everything apart and check out the bodies. Okay, here's the inner body housing. I like to see that it's a nice thick housing with reinforcements all around, the reinforcement ribs, rather. And the fact that it's solid. Now to the shell itself, we can see in here, it's nice and thick and solid. It's not what you see in some cheaper sets with a thinner plastic. This is meant to last. And the hinges here are nicely built. Better look on the outside of the case. Has a nice handle here with the Dewalt logo. And underneath, we can see it has 4 stands. I've been using this set for a year now on my Toyota and Lexus, and it's been great. It's really a bargain at the price. It's $37 on Amazon at the Dewalt store. Be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks.